Was Rachel right? Or did the internet lie to her again? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Nutri. In July 2023, the WHO dropped a headline that broke the internet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they said and what they didn't. July 14, 2023, the WHO's cancer arm announces aspartame is a possible carcinogen. Within hours, every news site ran the story. Diet Coke, trending, panic. Twitter exploded, TikTok exploded. Millions poured out their diet sodas on camera. Sales of Diet Coke dropped. Reddit filled up with people terrified they'd given themselves cancer. But almost no one read the actual report. 2 of them actually released on the same day. The scary headline came from IARC, the International Agency for Research on Cancer. They put aspartame in Group 2B, possibly carcinogenic to humans. Sounds terrifying. Here's what else is in Group 2B: aloe vera, pickled vegetables, gasoline engine exhaust. IARC doesn't measure how dangerous something is, it measures hazard, whether there's any evidence at all. Hazard is, can this cause harm? Risk is, how likely, at what dose? They're completely different questions. IARC only answers the first one, and for aspartame, the evidence was limited. The same day, a second WHO body released a different report, JECFA. JECFA looks at risk, at actual dose. They set the acceptable daily intake. For aspartame, the ADI stayed exactly where it was since 1981, 40 milligrams per kilogram. For a 70-kilo adult, that's about 2,800 milligrams a day, roughly 14 cans of diet soda every day for life. Actual average intake? Under 10% of that ceiling. The 2B rating came partly from one big study, NutriNet-Santé, 2022. They followed 100,000 French adults and found a small increase in cancer among heavy aspartame users. But it was observational, which means it can't prove cause, only correlation. And people who drink lots of diet soda tend to be different. Higher BMI, diabetes, worse baseline health. That's called confounding. And reverse causation. Sick people switch to diet soda, not the other way around. EFSA reviewed everything in 2013. Same conclusion, safe at current intake. So, should you throw out your Diet Coke? Almost certainly not. Is diet soda a health food? Also no, it's still ultra-processed, still not water. The best drink is still water, or unsweetened tea, or black coffee. But swapping one regular Coke for one Diet Coke, the math says that's a net win. The real risk isn't the sweetener. It's ignoring the difference between hazard and risk. Quick recap, IARC found weak evidence. JECFA left the safe limit alone. You'd need 14 cans a day. Small choices, big changes. I'm Nutri. If this helped, subscribe. Next time, does microwaving your food really destroy the nutrients? See you then.